अरे भाई how pra that is a mad guy bro क्या सस्ता यूट्यूबर क्या सस्ता यूट्यूबर What happened to that nigga? Huh? Cut off bank? Jump start man. His fan is not working. You saying? Apa slip tayar. Nyet. So what is up guys, it's your boy Cocktail, right? It is another beautiful Sunday and we are heading to Sora site cruising bro.
A few moments later.
We have R3, 390, R15 V4, MT15 V2, MT15 V1, V3, R15 and all Duke 200 Suzuki Gixxer. Just finished giving tire pressure to all the bikes. And now we good to go bro. Let's go. Leading the pack is Joe 99, followed by Papi John, followed by me, and followed by I don't know who's behind me, cause I don't have a side view mirror bro. It's raining man, hallelujah, it's raining man. Oh, R3 is overtaking me. This roadside here is still under construction, so have to ride with caution. Because we don't know whether there's gonna be a section where there's full of gravel and there's a section of, you know, oh shit, we're getting gapped so much. R3 R15 V4 with the 390 is already ahead, leaving us out of the map bro. It's boring riding alone like this. I'll wait for somebody to overtake me so I can, you know, cruise along with them. अरे भाई क्या हुआ भाई? How pra? So I'm following Rooney now. Rooney is a good guy. Oh shit bro, this is a mad guy. That is a mad guy bro. Oh my god. Mẹ blind turn. Mẹ traffic. I'm getting smoke bro. Let's see if I could catch up. Only until and unless if they are riding slow, then only I'll be able to catch up. Meh, freaking traffic bro. Otherwise that was my favorite section. Almost crashed just now. There's nobody behind me. Yeah, these guys are already here. Man bawan right sini day. Utiu kof jogom tengah le so pun bedi khor ke mau. Di besak berat bil. Huh? Pat sliat ka tau. So we're moving again, moving out from that place just now. where we wait for everybody. I will definitely get flyby by those riders behind me, because those riders are always riding fast. Ah, mother. Ay. Ah, these guys. Ah! Rush. That is Joe. He almost hit me with his rear end from my front end. Ah, so 390. Yeah. Those guys are fast, bruh. Oh, guy. Very daring, those guys. Now it is starting. So much traffic there. Too bright outside. Lem là đi chứ nào?
Stay yeah, base to viewpoint.
Stay.
Ada viewpoint. Yang Nah.
Chill.
Hey, गाड़ी start कर.
Alas, I end up cruising alone, bro. Those guys don't have mercy for me. What happened to that nigga? What happened with his bike? Something's wrong with his bike, he said. Huh? Because you cut off bike? Jump start, man. Oh shit. Engine seized हो गया ना क्या? अरे भाई क्या हो गया? Labang kayak ke dia pula dulunya. Mai la tali ton be pas du. Yêu sam tu le ap sas pang. Jadi belah hit plat na. So the ride is a flop show. The ride is a flop show now. This bike won't start anymore. Just cut off by itself. Don't know now.
His fan doesn't work anymore.
His fan doesn't work anymore. क्या सस्ता यूट्यूबर, क्या सस्ता यूट्यूबर. These guys that are riding ahead of us, these guys came back, and now we're checking on the situation. What do we do now? What's gonna happen next? Shim, finally Shim telai, dah bike nga. Dah. I'm giving my bike to Ronnie. So I'm handing over my bike to Ronnie. He'll go and look for ropes from somewhere over there. If he get a rope, then for his bike we'll be able to, you know, pull it back home.
More moments later.
So now we got the rope. So now we have to tie the rope from Sham's bike to Ronnie's bike. Tayaan niya na niya. Sham, the guy with the 390 is pulling the Duke 200 of Ronnie. Bad day for Ronnie. Well guys, today is supposed to be a good day riding, but shit happens. This bike just cut off by itself and it's not starting anymore. So we couldn't find any problem. Like, we've tried with whatever knowledge we have to solve the problem, but it's a problem only the pros can solve. So it's no option. We only have to buy that rope, and that is the only solution for now. And also now we are just going over there. We'll just have our lunch. Having lunch at 4 o'clock. It's because of, you know, we are in the middle of like a section of road which doesn't have any shops. So we just have to wait until we get this rope. And it took so much time, you know. These guys, when buying the rope from somewhere on this localities market, and now that they got it, so we are finally able to go and eat. Man, I'm hungry. Chal, so we'll be eating on that shop over there. Chal, kuna abab Chetu siya labo bike. Okay, labo ang tahi. Those guys have to leave their bikes over there only, because it's very hard to turn again and go back there again because of the rope. So now I'm being able to eat here as I'm so hungry. One of the utun na? One of the utun na? Oh, sepi. Apa puli? So I'll end this video here, and we'll see you guys on the next video. So today is all about this shit happens, and that that pickup also over there doesn't want to go, I think. Shit happens, bro. So see you guys on the next video. Abang, seslip tayar. Nyet. Dah kamar.
Gak ada video aja. Ini sekali simulasinya tadi.
Respect, bro. Respect.